Alright, Skylar, Trent, you may have taken off, man. It shows you're logged in, but I know the breakers was freezing and everything else. At the end of this break, we're going to randomize this totally certified pack to everybody that got boxes. Here we go. Box number 48. Got a fat one, and that fat one is numbered to only 10. 5 of 10. Tyler Toffoli? There you go. The blue version. Another fat one. Numbered to 50. Jonathan Quick. Michael Jordan. Social signature. That one is R.J. Umberger. And Daniel Sedin patch, numbered to 50. And base. John Merrill, rookie card, and Sean Monahan, rookie roll call. Base. And the last pack, Jonas Broden and Akeem Alu. There you go. Alright, just going to click this randomizer. I'll roll the die to see how many times we click it. That's one time. We'll just click it once. One time, whoever gets it, gets it. Let's do it. Steve W. One time. That's a one-timer. Steve W., this is yours, man. You got 2 boxes when this case first started. So just shoot me an email. Carrie Lettinen, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Joe Thornton. All purples, and they're all numbered to 35. Oh yeah, those go to Steve. But grab a couple more packs for Trent here. Trent, you got Michael Scarbosa and Jonathan Bloom. There, and this. John Tavares, Jacob Trouba. Alright, no hits in that one either. That'll do it, Trent. Appreciate it, buddy. I'll get this combined and refund that shipping back later today. See ya.